IRS Form 9465 is known as the Installment Agreement Request. Form 9465 is designed by the Internal Revenue Service for individuals that are unable to pay the full amount owed to the IRS, including penalties and interest amounts from the prior years. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of IRS Form 9465 that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. The Installment Agreement Request is a two-page form with two parts. The first part of the form asks for the standard personal information, such as your name, social security number, address, and so on. The second part lists various questions for you to answer about your financial and employment status. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign your IRS Form 9465 directly in the pdfFiller editor. Then, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the completed document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, or send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it to a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.